Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I just want to show you my new nails that I have right now. I used to have a really long nails. It was my natural nail, and having above my natural nail my Polygel nails. It was pretty good actually until it becomes so long and I need to change the Polygel, but I thought that it will be a large process, so I decided to cut my nails because some of them began to be not pretty cool at the edges, so I decided to cut them. So I cut my nails kind of short, and I decided to make these kind of pretty designed kind of nails. Okay, these are Bourgeois nail. It's not okay from the back. It's not like pretty. I make them a little bit thicker than it should be because the last polygel I made on a free edge was literally like broken after a couple of days, so I decided to make it a little bit thicker, and for a couple of days now actually it's pretty good. It stays on for a really strong and very nice. I think I need to soften them a little bit from the back because down here is my natural nail, as you can see, and the above the free edge here is the Polygel. I need to refine them with a driller. It takes some time, but I need to do them. But I really wanted to show you how it looks. So as you can see, it looks pretty good. The design is so nice. I really love them. We're a little bit like finer, but I decided to add a clear gel over it. I'm gonna show you what I used, but I just wanted to show you both hands. As you can see, it looks so good. This one is not even in the design, but anyway, actually I'm really happy with how it looks. It looks so beautiful. So what I used for this, I used this beautiful this number from ModelOnes is 232. So the color, as you can see way later, it's like a natural skin color. It's really amazing and looks so natural. I love it so much. And above it, after the design, I decided to add a little bit of clear polygel. I don't have it right now here, so anyway, and the gel. This is the white gel that I used for the design. And this is the device that I used to create the design. We make it so much easier doing that by yourself, and the brush. And the top coat is this one from Valerie. I really love this top coat. So basically this is what I use. I'm sorry for my cat just running around playing. So this is my nails. I'm so happy so far. I made it from like about 3 days. So basically this is it. I really hope you liked it, and I'm really happy with the results so far. Looks so beautiful, looks so natural, and looks so sexy and simple at the same time. So if you wanted me to do a nail art tutorial showing you how I did this beautiful kind of angled French nails, let me know in the comment section down below. I'll be so happy to add it to my video list to show you after I remove these ones. Yeah, so far I'm so happy. So yeah, see you soon in my next video. I love you so much. Bye.